to my morning report analysis videos on Monday 19th of March with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at euro dollar, which sort of looked to be breaking down as the market sort of fell away on Friday. Broke below that support, 122.70, that reaction low from earlier in March, broke below that and again traded below that this morning, although it's just sort of unwound again. There is a little bit of a downtrend, you could argue, in process there, but you look at these momentum indicators, they are still set up for near-term correction. RSI is just dropping away, as are the MACD lines, and also the stochastics accelerating lower, having crossed down. That all sets us up for a little bit of a near-term corrective move, certainly given the fact that we're sort of trading or threatening to sort of trade more below that 2270 reaction low. Now there is I think if you do sort of break to the downside, you'd argue, well, you could say that that's a bit of a small top pattern, coming back from sort of 2412 down from 2270. That's what, 150 pips. That would imply what, 120, 130, 121.20. Which is possible, but 121.55 is the key support that comes in from that key March low, but that coincides with several sort of a confluence of technical factors, with this long-term uptrend of the recovery, long-term uptrend back from April last year, almost 12 months. Not only that, you've got the 50% fib level of the big QE driven sell-off from sort of 140 down to 103 area, and yeah, it's just generally speaking quite a big band of support. So I think that it is a near-term move, and it has happened as the dollar has sort of taken on a little bit more strength as the market sort of prepares for the Fed. But it's interesting that the euro has rallied a little bit more as this session has gone on. The market doesn't overly want to sort of commit maybe in front of the Fed. The support comes in this morning at 22.55, but that 21.55 is clearly the key level to really sort of play. But yeah, it's an interesting sort of corrective slip we've got on the euro, but nothing really that suggests any real direction. And I think the market is just sort of jostling for position in front of the Fed, really. And the Fed, I think, is going to drive direction, certainly near term in the next sort of week or so. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.